I'm using the Spider IDE, and this is my coding file exporting graph.py. And as you can see, I just make a folder Python codes, and there I make a subfolder exporting graph, and in that subfolder exporting graph, I just make a new file exporting graph.py. This is the Python file where we gonna do our coding session. So let's start with the coding session. Let's import the library which we want, and after importing the library, here I am using a simple line graph, and this is the points of the line x1 y1, and this is the plot. Through this function you can just plot your line on matplotlib. This is the axis, and this is the title, this is the legend, and this is the main command which is useful for us, plt.savefig. By using this function, we can save our plot in this path directory, and this is the name of our file. We can change the file name as JPEG or sorry JPEG or SVG, any you want. Here DPI is the resolution, BB box is the type of box which you want. I want the type box, and you can just go and check out the other hyperparameters of this SVG function of matplotlib library. So keep in mind when you are just executing this, saving this uh, plot, you have to keep this command just before the plt.show or in between it, because if you just execute this after showing the plot, like you just show your plot and after that you just execute this, then through this you just save this blank figure in your directory. But we don't have to save the blank figure, we have to save the graph or the chart which we are showing. So while when we showing our plot, we have to save our graph and chart in the format of image. So just write this in between the executing of graph. So when you execute this, now you can see we can open the window is only one window is open, and in our this Python course exporting graph directory, we save our graph, line graph. So that's how you can save it, and you can also change the type of the image. So if you want to save the figure as PDF, then you just have to import this from matplotlib backend PDF import PDF pages. Through this PDF pages, you can save your chart as an PDF format, and after that, I just specify the same things as of the line, and then you have to make an object of this class PDF pages and specify the name of the PDF in which at what is the name of your PDF in which you want to save your chart, and then you have to save execute this function pp.savefig and pp.close for closing the file which you have opened. Here you open the file, save the name, and save the figure in the PDF, and then close it, and then plt.show to shows our chart or plot. So when you execute this, it will execute simple. Nothing gonna pop up like your PDF is saved, or your chart as an PDF format is saved. Nothing pop up like that came up. No pop up like that for saving the figure is came up. But when you go to your directory, it will show to you. And the last method, which is worst method, means the you can say the jugaad method, where you can save your figure. Like, let me copy this command here, and so when you just get your figure, just take a screenshot of this screen, or take the screenshot of this part, or you can even uh, increase maximize the you maximize this and take the screenshot of this whole screen and save your image in the Word file or any other file. So that's how also you can get your plot in your directory as an image. So you can save these plots in these three methods, and these all three methods were enough to save any image that you are executing or that you are showing in your team. So that's all for the today's session, and try to save some figure in some different image format or in the different PDF, and also try to take a snip of that so that you can familiar in the worst case, like if the save figure function, or let's say a case come where you can't save your figure by using the by as an image or as an PDF, then you can also take the snip of that figure. So that's all for the today's session. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay motivated and keep learning.